All right, let's take a look at the damage that's showing in my arm right now on this 2011 Mitsubishi Outlander. So, kind of telling the wrinkles of my shirt here how I have two creases real close to the back edge there, and then one below right here. This one has a crown in it. You can see that, those of you studying with my course. Now, when you're looking at these types of dents, you really want to make sure that the very back corner, that actual corner, is not just crushed, because you want to do a repair that'll come out really nice, and this is a great candidate. It's just up to it and right on the edge, but not crushing it. So this is a $800 repair, and if we take off this light right now and show you the access points here, if you choose to do these. Now you can come in from a hole like that and swing around, but you're kind of swiping at it. It's not the best angling and pushing. So they have the interior. You can take apart the interior to get everything, or you can get lucky like I did, and when I pulled open this door, I got a nice big hole to come in from, and look at that, I can get right on it. But my hand's inside there, and I want to be way over here looking at this with some good detail. So the setup's got to be just right, or you keep working with what you have here. That's the goal here on this Mitsubishi. Let's look real quick at the other dent I got to do. This is $300. That's the easier one, and gonna get it done. I'm starting to mess with taking that off, and that can be kind of a pain. So I just got down to business, grabbed my DentDial. This is a 24 heavy-duty DentDial. Put my base on the reverse side, because I noticed up inside here there's a piece of metal that I can kind of anchor on. I bent it just right, and I'm on this with so much power I'm not going to even turn on my glue gun. So you always want your main pushing to be near the body line. Out in the middle out here, if you really pull the heck out of that, you kind of stretch it out. You want to stay right on the edges, and getting on it with a tool enabled me to do it right away. A lot of good detail here. Outlander. Remember, the dents were right here, right here. No sanding, just straight up pushing. Maybe you can use this. A few wiggles in there down on this one. It came out good. Customer's super happy. And I did not drill a hole, I basically used that hole there and mainly came in from the inside. All right. Let's see if this shows more. Yeah, there's your wiggles.